Okay guys, now we will start doing practice and real projects. Okay guys, now what we will do, this is the exam taker, maybe we can say that. Exam taker Excel project. Okay. So what will I do now guys? As you see, we have the math table. This is a very simple table, guys. I don't want to show how to make this. Why? Because it's very easy. Okay, result. I write this information. It's very. I think you know how to make the information table like that. Okay, so that's why I don't want to show it. All I will focus on the formulas or the functions. Okay, guys. Now what will I do? Okay. So guys, as you see, we have the answer, real answer B. Student, the answer is it. Now, if it's true, it must write plus. If it's not true, it will write minus. If a student didn't write anything, it must show anything. Okay, I think you understand what's the answer. Okay, nothing, plus or minus. Okay, guys, how can I do that? You know? Okay, now we will do it together. Okay, now I must use, as you know, I must use function, with function, if function, conditional function. I will write this, our magic sign equal. Now I will write if, okay, this one equal to this one, okay, uh, now, and also we can write like that also. Depends on you guys how to make how to make algorithm. It depends on you. Now, for example, I will say that I will start from this one. I will say that first. I will ask. It depends on you how you ask the question. Okay, now I will say that if base 3 equal to nothing, yes, without anything. If you don't write anything inside the code, it will understand that okay, it means that it's empty. Yes, you didn't write anything. Then, if it's true, what will happen to you? Okay, don't do anything. Don't write anything. Okay, do you understand? If base 3 is nothing, okay, show nothing. Show me nothing. Okay, now I will ask other question. But if this one equal to this one, then write plus, else write minus. Okay, guys, look at this and think about it. Do you understand or not? Firstly, it will say that it will ask the question. If B3 is, it will different. Is B3 nothing? If it's true, it will write nothing empty. Then, if it's not true, it will ask second question. Is B2 equal to B3? Yes, then write plus. Else write minus. Enter, enter. Now guys, look at this. Plus. If I don't write anything, look at this, it will write nothing. But if I write mistake, it will do what? Minus. Okay, I think you understand. Also, I will click to here and I will do it like that. Look at this. Automatically it will find them. Yes? I think you understand this one. Now guys, also you can copy. No, I will not copy it. I will write it again. Again, it's very easy. If no, sorry. If this one equal to nothing, then do it nothing else. Ask second question. If this one equal to this one, then write plus. Then if it's not true, write minus. Okay, I will remove them. Okay. Now I will write the same function if you know why I don't copy it. Why? Because also do it by yourself. Why don't copy it? Why? Because you will if you try more, you will understand better. If this one equal to nothing, with nothing. If this one equal to this one, that one problem I think. do nothing if this one equal to this one, then write plus else minus. I'll do it like that. Okay, guys. Now what will I do now? Okay, I did it. And also, is it working? Yes. Oh, sorry. Is it working? Yes, it's working. So, guys, what will I do now? True. It must count how many true. Okay. Wait function count. I'll change my camera. Count. Count if range. Which range? This one. Yes. Comma. With this range, but what's the criteria? Criteria is it must be plus. Count how many plus we have. Enter. 5. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Again, count if range. This one. Comma. Which criteria? Minus. Enter. Then, how many questions we have? I will say that 10 minus this one minus this one. And after it will find how many input we have. So guys, and after that you can say that, for example, uh, this one multiply what 10 minus this one multiply 2. For example, it doesn't matter. Result is 40. Why? Because he did mistake. So for per mistakes, I subtract 2 points. Okay. If students, okay, perfect. Now what will I do? I will copy them. No, I will not copy. I will write again. Count if range, this range, comma, which criteria, plus it again. Okay. Okay, guys, if you want, you can also paste. Okay, but how? You must select it with this one. Okay, select it. One, and you can change it also minus 4. Empty. No, we don't need this. 10 minus this one minus this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, what about the mark? Same function. True. Multiply 10 minus false multiply 2. Result is 22. Okay, empty 3. Yes, it's working. Again, count if this one, comma, criteria is plus. Count if range this one, criteria minus. Really? Yes, perfect. 10 minus this one minus this one. Okay, perfect. Empty. The mark is this one multiply 10 minus this one multiply 2. Result is 90. The total true sum simple function. This one, comma, this one, comma, and this one. Automatically it will say that 9. Yes. Result is 4. Ah, result is average. This one, comma, this one, comma, this one. So, okay. It will automatically convert it. Okay. If you press Ctrl Z, it will make it will correct it. Okay, guys, as you see, we did it. Now, if you notice that we have a problem, but what's the problem? I will show you. But as you see, we have some problem here. Yes, and now we will find what's the problem. Guys, in the data, I think in data, no, in formula, we have this place. What's that, guys? And if you press this one, error checking, it will show you what's the problem. Look at this error in cell B22. B22, okay, perfect. What's that? Inconsistent calculated the formula. Restore calculate formula, the column formula. Ignore that. Why? Because we don't need. Okay, this is true. I say that. Okay. Why? Because it said that this is sum. This is sum. Why it's average? Okay, so that's why it say that. But be careful about it. Something like that. Okay, guys. In formula, error checking in this one. So what's the evaluate formula? When you click it, look at it. It will show this one. Step by step, it will show the formula. Look at this. 51. Okay, perfect. What about this? Evaluate formula. This one. So this one. What about this? Okay, N1 will be 5, and the next will be 50, and will be 5. This one, the result will be this. Okay, what about this? Okay, look at this. This is our formula. Evaluate. False. It will be false. Again, this one is not true, so that's why it will convert. It will pass to the D here. This one is not B. Okay, true. It's B. Sorry. So after that, it will write what plus. Then result will be plus. Okay. For example, what about this? Look at this. 0. Okay. True. Then it will ignore this part. Then it will show nothing. What about minus? Okay. Look at this part. 0. No, sorry. D, not 0. D equal to empty. No, it will false. Then it will ask this part. Okay. If A equal to D, no, false. Then it will show minus. Okay, minus, it will do minus. I think you understand. Okay, guys, this is the result checker, the program. Please do more practicals about it. Also, I will upload this file to the resource. Guys, please do more practice. You remove these codes, and also do it yourself. Okay, bye.